Hey, thanks so much for joining. I'm Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360. And of course, we're here talking about cloud security. I'm here today on behalf of the CTO Advisor and their AWS Everyday series. And today we're going to talk about AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery. So AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, AWS DRS, minimizes downtime and data loss with fast, reliable recovery of on-premises and cloud-based applications using affordable storage, minimal compute, and point-in-time recovery. You can increase IT resilience when you use AWS Elastic Recovery to replicate on-premises or cloud-based applications running on supported operating systems. You can use the AWS Management Console to configure replication and launch settings, monitor data replication, and launch instances for drills or recovery. So set up AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery on your source servers to initiate secure data replication. Your data is replicated to a staging area subnet in your AWS account in the AWS region you selected. And the staging area design reduces costs by using affordable storage and minimal compute resources to maintain ongoing replication. You can perform non-disruptive tests to confirm that implementation is complete, and during normal operation, maintain readiness by monitoring replication and periodically performing non-disruptive recovery and failback drills. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery automatically converts your servers to boot and run natively on AWS when you launch instances for drills or recovery. So if you need to recover applications, you can launch recovery instances on AWS within minutes using the most up-to-date server state or a previous point in time. After your applications are running on AWS, you can choose to keep them there, or you can initiate data replication back to the primary site when the issue is resolved. You can fail back to your primary state whenever you're ready. So what are a few use cases? On-premise to AWS, you can quickly recover operations for unexpected events such as software issues or data center hardware failures. AWS DRS enables RPO of seconds and RTO of minutes. Cloud to AWS, help increase resilience and compliance requirements using AWS as your recovery site. AWS DRS converts your cloud applications to run natively on AWS. And then lastly, AWS region to AWS region. So you can increase application resilience and help meet availability goals for your AWS-based applications using AWS DRS to recover application in a different AWS region. Thanks so much for joining.